everyone, this is Kicks and Jack Crochet, and today we're going to take you through the beautiful blue hibiscus crew neck cropped crochet sweater. This pattern starts with a half double crochet ribbing. We are going to move quite quickly through this ribbing, but we are going to create a more detailed beginner version of how to do the half double crochet ribbing, and when it's ready we'll link it in the comments below. But today for this ribbing we're going to start with a slip knot and we're going to chain 12. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we start with a half double crochet into the third chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, you yarn over, insert your hook into that third chain, pull through the yarn, yarn over, pull through all 3. Do that again, yarn over into the next chain, pull through the yarn, yarn over, pull through all 3. And you effectively half double crochet down the row, and you should have 10 half double crochet stitches at the end. We've come to the end of our row. And it should look something like this. So we turn our work and we move into row 2, and this is where we start doing half double crochets into the back loop only. That's going to create that beautiful ridge and ribbing. So start off with a chain 2, that's 1, 2, and then we yarn over, pinch our work, turn it to face us, and go into the back loop of those stitches only. So pull through the yarn, yarn over, pull through all 3. Let's do the second one, yarn over, turn the stitches to face you from the top, go through the back loop only, pull through the yarn, yarn over, pull through all 3. And you're going to be doing that all the way down the row until you get to the last stitch. And in our written pattern, back loop only is represented as a capital B, capital L, capital O. And when we get to the last stitch, we like to go through both loops, not just the back loop only, to give it a tighter finish. Okay, so we have crocheted 24 rows, and obviously this is too short for our sweater. In our actual sweater, we crocheted a total of 36 rows. So we're going to stop here at 24 rows because it's almost out of camera. And if we go back to our written pattern, we will calculate that we need to crochet 37 single crochets along the long part of this ribbing. All the calculations and how to do that is in our written pattern. So let's go ahead and we will crochet now 37 single crochets down the long side of this ribbing. It will be definitely something different for you, and we'll start it and then we'll see you at the end of the row. So we're going to chain 1, insert our hook into the first space. Oops, it's a bit tight. That's 1 single crochet, and we're going to do evenly for our swatch 37 single crochets. 4, 5. So we'll see you at the end of this row, and we'll get ready to start row 2. Here we are at the end of row 1, and for our swatch we crocheted 37 single crochets, so that's sort of what yours will look like, but a lot longer. Then we turn our work and we're ready to start. So row 2 asks for a very basic single crochet across your first row of single crochets. And so we're going to chain 1. We're going to single crochet into the first stitch. So insert our hook, pull through the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2. And we do that to the next stitch. And we're effectively going to single crochet all the way down. And we'll meet you at the end. And here we are coming to the end of our row. So we've got 3 more single crochets. That's our last single crochet. So now we're moving on to row 3. We turn our work. And row 3 starts with a chain 1. And then we are effectively doing this beautiful cluster, which is a single crochet chain 2 4 DC cluster, and that's effectively repeated throughout the sweater. So let's do that together. We single crochet into the first stitch, and then we chain 2. That's 1, 2, and then we do 4 double crochets back into the same stitch. So we yarn over, insert our hook into the same stitch, pull through the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's 1 double crochet, yarn over, back into the same stitch, pull through the yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's the second double crochet, yarn over, back into the same stitch, pull through the yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's the third double crochet, yarn over, back into the same stitch, pull through the yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So it's going to look something like this, and it's going to be a single crochet, then a chain 2, and then you've got 4 double crochets all into the same stitch, and that's 1 cluster. And then we skip 3 stitches, so 1, 2, 3, and we single crochet into that next stitch. And then we repeat that cluster. So it's chain 2, 1, 2, and then 4 double crochets back into the same stitch. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we just crocheted a second cluster. So we'll do another one. We skip 3, and don't forget there's 1 right next to the cluster. So 1, 2, 3, and we single crochet into the next stitch. We chain 2, 1, 2, and then we do 4 double crochets into the same stitch. That's 1, that's 2 double crochets, that's 3 double crochets, and that's 4 double crochets. And I've done 3 clusters. And so you're going to repeat this down the row. You're going to skip 3, single crochet into the next stitch, chain 2, and then 4 double crochets into the next stitch. And we'll see you at the end of the row and we'll show you how to finish off row 3. So we've come to the end of our very short row and we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 clusters. We're at the end and we finish off row 3 by skipping 3. So there's 1, 2, 3, and then we single crochet into this last stitch. So yours should look something like this. And then we're going to move on to row 4. So we turn our work, we chain 3, that's 1, 2, 3, and then we crochet 2 double crochets into that first stitch. So yarn over, into that first stitch, pull through the yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then we do one more, yarn over, back into that same first stitch, pull through the yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through another 2. And so that was a chain 3 and then 2 double crochets into the first stitch. And then we're effectively going to be crocheting the same cluster into these chain 2 spaces. So you're going to skip through all these double crochets, there's 4 of them, and into the chain 2 space, we're going to crochet that same single crochet chain 2 4 DC cluster. So go ahead, let's do that together. We single crochet into the chain 2 space, chain 2, and then we're going to crochet 4 double crochets back into that chain 2 space. That's 2. That's 3, and that's 4. So it looks something like this, where we had our first row of clusters and now we're crocheting the second row of the same type of clusters on top within that chain 2 space. So let's go ahead and do the second cluster on row 4. We're going to skip past these 4 double crochets and into that chain 2 space, we're going to crochet the second cluster in this row. So single crochet in to that chain 2 space, chain 2, and 4 double crochets into that chain 2 space. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3, and that's 4. I'm just going to show you what that looks like. And let's go ahead and do the third cluster for row 4. We skip through all these 4 double crochets and into that chain 2 space there. We single crochet, then we chain 2, 1, 2, and then we do 4 double crochets back into that chain 2 space. And that's actually why this is one of our favorite stitches, because if you've been reading our blog or if you've seen any of our blogs, we absolutely love crocheting into spaces. It's just so easy to do, and it moves so fast when you're crocheting into spaces. So that's what it looks like at the moment for row 4, and we're crocheting the same clusters into each of these chain 2 spaces. So we'll meet you at the end of the row and we'll show you how to finish off row 4. So we've come to the end of row 4. We're crocheting our last cluster. So single crochet into the chain 2 space, chain 2, 4 double crochets, 2, 3, 4. And row 4 finishes by a simple single crochet into this chain 2 space. So 1 single crochet and that's it. So yours will look something like this, and you can see these beautiful clusters start to give it texture. We'll move on to row 5, which is pretty much the same. It's just it has a slightly different finish. So you turn your work, crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 2 double crochets into the first stitch. So that's 1, that's 2, and then it's very similar to row 4. We skip through these 4 double crochets, find the chain 2 space, single crochet into the chain 2 space, chain 2, and 4 double crochets back into that chain 2 space. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we've come to the end of row 5. We've done our last cluster. I just want to show you how we finish off, and you effectively, once you've done your last cluster, you put a single crochet into the top of the turning chain. And then you turn your work, and we just finished row 5, and effectively you are repeating row 5 until you have reached your finished length, your desired finished length, less a number of inches to accommodate for the neckline. Thanks very much for watching our videos, and we hope that you like this video and subscribe to us so that we can create more video tutorials that can sit along with our written stitch patterns.